Welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix microphone not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your microphone is not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to click on Start menu. Then click on the search bar. Then search for settings. Click on the settings. In this left section you can see privacy and security. Just click on this. You need to scroll down a little bit. Here you can see under app permission microphone. Just click on this. You need to wait for some time to load the applications. Guys, you can see Microsoft Access. You have to make sure this option is enabled. If it is disabled, just you need to re-enable this option and come to the downward. You can see second option, let app access your microphone. Guys, in this you need to find whichever app you are using. You need to check that whether the microphone is enabled for that app or not. For example, if you are using camera, you need to check whether the microphone option is enabled or not for that camera application. If it is not, then you need to enable this option. If it is already enabled, just disable this option and re-enable this. After that, just close this window. Again you have to click on Start menu. Then search for control panel. Click on the control panel. In this you can see hardware and sound. Just click on this. Click on this sound. Guys, here you need to identify your microphone. For example, this is my microphone. You need to select this option and click on set as default. After setting default, just click on properties. You need to come to the level tab. Here you have to make sure that headphones option is set to the higher level. After that, click on apply and click on OK. Again click on OK, then close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix microphone not working for Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.